Hytech Didactic Spot Welding Cell is a training cell with a HMI welding robot integrated with PLC, HMI, and IIOT. Participants can carry out automated welding in integration with Servo Motor as well. 3 experiment tables provide hands-on experience on horizontal as well as vertical spot welding. Separate central control unit with workstation and dual monitors provides easy access for the robotic as well as PLC programming. Automated tip dressing unit along with profinet-based IO-Links master and IO-Link-based smart light provides necessary automation exposure to participants. Offline programming software provided along with the training cell can help participants to develop the robot programs on the software. TV screen can demonstrate the digital dynamic twin of the training cell. Participant does the spot welding programming on a robot teach pendant or through offline programming software. External automation components such as sensors and servo motor and programmed through Siemens S7-1200 PLC. Participants operate completely automated cycle in integration with robot and PLC through robot, teach pendant and from central control unit. Controlling the spot welding variables is a complicated process that affects the weld's quality. The appropriate current, voltage, pressure, welding time, and other spot welding variables must be fixed based on the material type, thickness, and quality requirements. Spot welding is one of the most accurate and cost-effective metal joining techniques. It combines an application of pressure and heat. Electricity and pressure are applied to the welding position by electrodes.